Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about dictionaries. So what basically is dictionary? In dictionary we search for a key and then the system will return the value of that key. So we will see what is dictionary, what is key and what is the meaning of value here. So let's suppose you are making dictionaries of books. So dictionary always uses curly braces and here suppose your first book name as COC and the price of COC is $250 or rupees. And now if I go with LM and then the price of LM is 330 and then there is another book named as Gandhi and the price of it is suppose $500 or rupees. Alright, so this is our dictionary where the COC or the LM or the Gandhi is termed as keys, but the price will be termed as values. Now, if I want to access that what is the value of COC book, then I will just print out as book, then square brackets and COC here. And I will just go, books, and let's check it out. So here you can see I have got the price as $250 or rupees. So a dictionary allows you to store keys and values and it's useful for when you know the key and you want to get the value back. So what is the basic difference between dictionaries and sets? Let me type that out for you. So these are the two basic rules of dictionaries and the dictionary hold the sequence. If you will print out any dictionary, then it will provide you the same output that you have given it as an input. So I will just print here the books dictionary and let's see what we get. Here you can see I have got the same sequence as I have printed here. No matter how many times you run it, you will get the same sequence. And about the duplicates, let's change the price of LM book. So how I'm going to change that? I will type here dictionary name square brackets and then I will give here the key value. After I will just give the assignment operator and then I will write the value. Let's suppose $600 and if I print out the books again, you can see the value of LM is now 6 and if I want to add one more book now, then I will just write as dictionary name and then I will write here any key value that you want to enter, GOT, and now I will just give here the price of it. So for suppose $1 and let's print out the books. So here you can see I have added GOT and the value of it is $1. So there is no other function we have used to add any element and we need to remember these two rules that dictionary hold the sequence and it does not allow duplicates. After that we will move towards the how we can convert tuples into dictionaries. So for that I will use dict function. So let me print out the tuples for you. So we have a friends list here and in list we are having tuples and there are 3 tuples. And in tuples we are having Karthik and his age is 21 and Holmes age is 24, Sherry and his age is 26. Now I will convert it into dictionaries. So for that I will first write a variable that will store the dictionary and then I will use the dict function. After that just give here the variable name that you want to convert and run the file. But before that don't forget to print. And here you can see I have got all the 3 values in the dictionary as you can see curly braces and then colon. Before colon is the key and after colon we get the values. There is no mandatory condition that you should always use string as a key. You can use values also. So I will just do it here as now as you can see our first element is 21, second element is 24 and third element is 26. the same as I have written in the friends. Now let's give it another function here, and I'm going to give the new function name as suppose employees, and let's create a tuple now. Now I'm going to create here a multi-line tuple, and for that I can use here like this. As you press the enter after the brackets, you will get here the indentation. So indentation is called as the few lines that can be made using some spaces, and you can see here dots also. In the video maybe you can't see that, but if you zoom it you will see here the dots. So this is the indentation, and in Python indentation is very important, because when I will start that how loop works, then you will understand it, so don't worry about that. I will get into this part also. So first of all I want to create our first dictionary here, and now for suppose I have a manager, his name is Joy. Alright, so I have dictionaries here, and don't forget that to use comma after every dictionary so that you can separate them. So here the first dictionary is having manager key, and in the manager I have given the name as Joy. The salary of manager is 2000. Now if I want to access the manager in the dictionaries, we always knows the keys so that we can access the values. So for that I am going to type here employee, and then I will give here square brackets, and then I will write here 0, and after that I'm going to give another square brackets, and then here I will give the key as manager. Now I will get the name of this manager. Let's see. So here you can see I have get the Joy. So how that happened? I have here three dictionaries, alright, but the first dictionary, the index of that is 0, so I have used the 0 here. And if I give here 1, then I have to change here the manager name. From the manager I have to enter here data analyst, and then I will get here Ruby. I hope you are getting it. And if I use here just salary, now I have three salary elements or keys here. So, and every values are different, but to differentiate every salary I am using index number here. So the first index is going for the Ruby here, and his salary is 6000. So just run it and you can see I have got the $6,000 as his salary. So this is how we use dictionaries. I hope you learned from this video. In the next videos we are going to know some more about Python, so stay tuned for that. So now you can subscribe my channel if you haven't. Till then, stay safe and see you in the next one.